Sigfox provides a solution for long-distance, low data rate IoT applications that also need broad network coverage and ultra-low power consumption. The Semiconductor DVK-SFEU-1-GEVK Sigfox development kit, available from Mouser Electronics, enables designers to quickly develop Sigfox-connected applications. The kit is based around the AX-SFEU-1 SoC solution for Sigfox nodes and includes a mini module carrying the SoC and SMA connector, a debugger interface with ribbon cable, a mini USB cable, and an SMA antenna. It comes with a 2-year Sigfox subscription and is pre-programmed with the Sigfox stack and a comprehensive but easy-to-use serial protocol based on AT commands. Designers who want to develop a self-contained Sigfox application will require an external application processor, for which the AX-SFEU API solution is provided. The development kit PCB also serves as a reference design. Designers can copy and paste this to their own application board and reuse the development kit Sigfox Ready certification, thus minimizing risk for product-level compliance. For testing, the included SMA connector allows for both conducted measurements as well as radiated measurements, using the included WIB antenna. For more information on the Semiconductor Sigfox development kit, visit mouser.com.